Hi, kindergartners. It's Mrs. Thomas Moore again, and I am back for us to do more math learning. Today, we are starting week 8, day 1 of our learning. So this week, our focus is going to be on counting. So all of our lessons this week are going to be focused on counting. But before we get started with our lesson, what are we going to do? That's right, we're going to get our brains all warmed up and our bodies all warmed up by doing our math and movement. And today our math and movement is going to be what I call circles by 10 counting. Circles by 10 counting. So we're going to use our arms and we're going to make circles with our arms and we're going to count to 100 by counting by tens. So we're going to do one circle for 10 and then we'll clap and then we'll repeat it and we'll go 20 and clap. And we're going to repeat that pattern all the way till we get to 100. So if you're ready, let's stand up. Get your bodies ready. Arms out. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job, everybody. Good job. Now we've got our bodies and our minds all warmed up. What do you see in my picture there? What is that? Who knows what that's called? A number chart? Yes, some people might call it a numbers chart. But it's a hundreds chart because it has our numbers from 1 to 100 on there. That's right, a hundreds chart. So when we see our hundreds chart, it counts from 1 to 100. But we're going to focus today on the number 0 also. And where would 0 go? Would it come after 100 or before 1? That's right, it's before 1. So we start our counting with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, and then we go forward that way. So that's what you see there. So that leads us to talking about our learning goal for today. Our learning goal says, I can count forward orally. Orally means we're saying it out loud by ones from 0 to 100. So that focuses on our kindergarten SOL K.3, which says count forward orally by ones from 0 to 100. The rest of the week, we're going to also look at some more of that SOL. But for today, we're going to focus on I can count forward orally by ones from 0 to 100. Okay. So let's look at the vocabulary that we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about how we can count. We're going to talk about ones. We're going to talk about numbers. We're going to talk about forward. All of those are vocabulary words that I want you to remember. Counting, numbers, ones, forward. Because when we're counting forward, we start at 0 and go on to 100. All right, now let's look at our hundreds chart. We're going to look at this hundreds chart and we're going to count from 0 to 100. That's right, we're going to use our hundreds chart to help us count from 0 to 100. Now, when we count from 0 to 100, that takes a lot of energy. So we're going to stop halfway through to give ourselves a little break. So that means we're going to stop at 50. We'll stop at 50 and take a little break, and then we'll pick right back up and keep counting, starting at what? That's right, 51, because 51 comes after 50. And we'll start at 51 and go all the way to 100. So if you're ready, we're going to start at what? 0. We're going to start at 0, and I'm going to check them off as we're counting so that we can get all the way to 100. Are you ready? Let's go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep going. You're doing great. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Super job. Take a breath because we're going to keep going. We're going all the way to 100. So what are we starting at now? That's right, 51. So let's go. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Keep going. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. We're almost there. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Closer. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We did it. We just counted from 0 to 100 by ones, and we used our hundreds chart to help us do that. Great job, everyone. Give me an air high five. Super job. Okay, so now we're going to do a bigger math with movement activity now. And this time we're going to count all the way to 100 by ones. That's right, we're going to count all the way to 100 by ones. So I'm going to give you directions on what we're going to do, meaning which activity we're going to do, because I'm going to incorporate some of the math and movement activities we've been doing since the beginning of our distant learning. And we're going to do groups of 10 of them so that we can get to 100. But we're going to be counting by ones. So I may say we're going to do some raise the roofs, and you would do 10 of them, and then we'll take a little break so I can give you the direction for what the next activity is, and then we're going to go to the next one, continuing on, going 11 to 20. And we're going to keep doing that all the way to 100. So first thing I want you to say to yourself is, I can count to 100 by ones. Say it again out loud. I can count to 100 by ones. I know that you can, and I'm going to help you get there. So the first thing I need everybody doing is standing up nice and tall, ready to listen, ready to follow the steps of what we're going to do. Okay, so the first activity we're going to do is jumping jacks. So we're going to count to 10, and then I'm going to give you the direction of the next activity, and then we're going to start at 11 and continue counting. And we're going to do 10 different things till we get to 100. So if you're ready, take a deep breath. Let's get ready to go. When I say 0, you're going to start counting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. The next one is going to be raise the roof. And we're going to start at 11. Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, the next thing is punch it out. Ready? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, the next one is reach for the stars. So we're going to be reaching up like this for the stars. Are you ready? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, now we're going to do some arm circles like we did at the beginning. Ready? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, now we're going to do touch the toes. Are you ready? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Oh my goodness, we're almost there. Now we're going to do marching in place. Ready? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Woo! Next thing we're going to do is our jumps. Ready? 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Woo, we're almost there. Here we go. We're going to do twists this time. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Woo! Oh my gosh, we are almost to 100. This time we're going to clap it out. Are you ready? 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, you just counted from 0 to 100 and you were doing movement. Oh my goodness, that is so exciting. I am so proud of you. So now, let's take a look at what we did today. We counted forward orally by ones from 0 to 100. We did it together, boys and girls, and I am so proud of you. I knew you could do it. I just wanted to help you do it so we could do it together. Way to go. So proud of you. Now, that was amazing. Our bodies got warmed up. Our brains got warmed up. We did an excellent job. I want you to keep practicing that at home. And I want you to practice it. You can put your own movements to it, or you can do the same ones that we did. Get your family to join in with you and help you count to 100. I also have a practice sheet of a hundreds chart like we looked at the beginning, where you can go out and count on your hundreds chart. And the way I'd like you to do that is your hundreds chart is going to look like this. And I want you to kind of do a pattern with coloring it while you count. So we're going to start at 0 and we're going to color every other number a different color. So I'm going to use green and I'm going to use orange as my two colors. So we're going to start with green. So I'm going to go 0 and I'm going to shade in my 0. So you can use your crayons or colored markers or whatever you have. So you see how I colored in 0? So I said 0. And then I'm going to say 1. And I colored in my 1. 2. And I color in the 2. 3. What color should 3 be? Orange, that's right, because I'm using my pattern. 4. What color is 4 going to be? Who can tell me? 4 is going to be green, exactly. And 5, orange. Good job. and 6. Green. 7. Orange. What's the next number? It's 8. That's right. And what color will I color it? Green. What's the next number? 9. Super job. And what color are we coloring it? Orange. And the next number is 10. And we color it green. So I have counted so far from 0 to 10. But I want you to complete the whole thing by coloring all of them, every other color, whatever colors you choose while you're counting, so you can count all the way to 100. So you're going to go from 0 to 100 doing the same pattern that I did here. I hope that you enjoyed counting with me today to 100 and getting a little bit of a workout in. See you all next time. Stay safe and keep counting. Bye-bye.